what would you advise women of today how to be themselves yet look good, great and fit?
Well, the first and
Or
foremost,
Bhagyashree's tips is how I would put it. Yes.
well, the first and foremost is don't hold grudges. I think the mental and emotional well-being of a person actually shows on their face.
Very true.
So that is my first advice to anyone, that don't hold on to things that have gone by, don't hold on to things that can't be, because it's in your hands. Love it, leave it, or change it.
Yeah,
So
that's true.
that's the most important. But on a daily basis, I think health lies in your kitchen, in everyone's kitchen, and I think we
Okay.
can make our kitchen self-sufficient to keep ourselves healthy and beautiful.
Okay, that's a very interesting thing. How? Please tell
How?
us.
Eat meals that complement one another. There is nothing that you have to give up. Don't have cheat meals, because you're not cheating anyone else, you're cheating yourself.
Yes.
So it's important to enjoy the food so that the nutrition stays in your body. When you eat something and feel guilty about it, I don't think the body absorbs the nutrients either. So that's
It's like talking to your body.
yes, absolutely.
Okay.
And your body does give you signals to let you know when it is undernourished or
Overnourished.
overnourished, I would say. When it is when certain organs of your body are not working to its optimum condition, then you're not healthy. People talk about health and fitness in one breath. I feel they are two different aspects.
Okay.
Being healthy is more important. Fitness is probably what activity you can do to the optimum level, that's fitness. But that needn't be what health is for
Is
your
for you.
particular body.
Yes.
So it's understanding your body type, understanding the nutrition that your body needs, understanding your own lifestyle and working towards the
Towards
betterment
the
of
betterment. Okay.
it. So eat your fruits, eat your ghar ka khana, eat what is cooked in your own home. Fresh meals are always better. When you cook them yourself, you cook them with love.
Well, we
That's-
all have staff, so
Yeah, but I still feel that, when you actually go and cook a meal for yourself, you know what you're putting in. And it's so much more healthier.
healthier. Okay.
So try and do that at least once. I don't think that's very difficult
Asking
for
too
people.
much. Yes. Yeah.
You know what you're having then. When-
Everyone's all into these having, the haldi shots and your
well, haldi has been a part of our Indian cuisine forever.
forever. Yes.
Yes, so I think our Indian meals are in its, in its complete form. If you have an Indian thali, it's got everything that your body needs for nourishment. So you've got your vegetables, you've got your fiber, you've got your protein, you've got your antioxidants, it's got everything.
Everything,
It's
okay.
just managing to eat them right. Don't overdo one item, try and balance it out, and that's what would make you healthy.
Everyone's into eat less carbs and intermittent fasting.
Well, उपवास तो हमारे ज़माने में
Fasting is
सब लोग
something-
वही करते थे. Today it's called intermittent
Intermittent, that's
fasting.
true. That's
But
very
we've
true.
always been told कि you should fast one day because it kind of cleanses your system. It gives rest to your stomach and helps it recuperate. While speaking with all this, I think very important factor is to sleep well, because I
Yes.
think sleep is like the sweeper in our homes, which cleanses our system, removes the toxins. So if you sleep and your body is rested at the right time, it can really
Make a difference.
Yeah, make a difference. And it's something that you have to do every single day.
You sleep early?
Not as early as I would like to, but I try and make up for my sleep and try and sleep at least 6 to 7 hours.
Okay, and what time?
Well, by 11, which is way too late, but yeah.
Way too late. Most
No,
people.
I'm you know, most of the people think that I'm modern day Cinderella because even when I go out, I want to leave the place and come back home by 12.
Yeah,
Midnight
yes,
is like,
yes.
okay, I can't do,
Yes,
you know,
yeah,
the night
yeah.
overs.
So you feel that makes a big impact as well.
It definitely does.
Yes.